The construction site was loud, machines roaring, men shouting, metal crashing. No one noticed the small gray bundle pressed against a stack of cement bags. No one except the foreman, who nearly tripped over it, a kitten Dusty, trembling, its ribs visible beneath matted fur. It looked up at him with huge, watery eyes. "Please?" Then did something that shattered his hardened heart. It wrapped its tiny paws around his boot and held on like it was the last solid thing in the world. The foreman froze. He wasn't a cat person. He wasn't even a pet person. But those eyes… "Damn it," he muttered. He tried to walk away. The kitten wobbled after him, mewing pitifully. A worker laughed. "Looks like you've got a shadow, boss." By lunch, the kitten was curled in his jacket, gnawing half-heartedly on a sandwich corner he'd offered. It ate like it had forgotten how, like it expected the food to vanish. That night, the foreman took it home in his truck. Just for the night, he told himself. But the kitten had other plans. It refused to leave his side, slept pressed against his chest. When he showered, it waited outside the door, crying. When he sat, it climbed into his lap with single-minded determination, as if saying, "You're mine now." Days passed. The kitten, now named Rust for its dusty coat, grew stronger, bolder. It brought him bottle caps like trophies, attacked his shoelaces, and purred so loudly it drowned out the TV. One evening, the foreman found Rust sprawled across his blueprints, tail flicking. He sighed, "You're a terrible assistant." Rust blinked up at him, eyes full of absolute trust. The foreman swallowed hard. He'd thought he was saving the kitten, but really the kitten had saved him. If you liked the video, put like and subscribe to the channel, where you will find a lot of interesting things.